the list of items I ordered because they were on sale. And well, I couldn't resist the temptation. I ordered a variety of cosmetic products from O.TWO.O Cosmetics Make online, taking advantage of the sale. The items include eyebrow styling gel soap, eyebrow drawing brush, a canvas of perfection with cushion BB cream, the radiant blush of Color Bounce blush stick, lips adorned in the velvety spell of matte lipstick, the enchanting crystal eyeshadow palette, the extreme volume eyelash curler, secrets concealed by the creamy concealer stick, lids aglow with the eyeshadow stick's hues, skin rejuvenated with the rapid repair hydrating cream, and the Pie CDR Assistance, the extreme volume eyelash curler, adding a crescendo of glamour in this symphony of beauty. Every lady's essence is adorned with an irresistible charm, a testament to the magnetic allure of O.TWO.O Cosmetics.